Assalamu alaikum and a very good day to everyone. We are pleased to present our topic entitled Big Data Analytics as a Pedagogical Tool in Oceanography Education within Malaysian Secondary Schools. Our group members are Adida, together with Abdul Rahman, Mardia, Siti Munira, and Muhammad Fauzi.
Today, with the power of big data, we can easily access large and complex information. This opens new opportunities for learning, especially in science education. In this study, we will demonstrate how NASA's Giovanni, an online tool for geospatial visualization, can be used in teaching geography and oceanography in Malaysian secondary schools. For this presentation, we will focus on sea surface temperature, or SST, as our example dataset. By exploring real data, students can better understand the ocean's role in our climate and environment.
Our project has two main objectives. First, to integrate satellite-based datasets, specifically from NASA's Giovanni platform, into the teaching and learning of geography, with a focus on oceanography. Second, to demonstrate how maps and time series data can be generated using sea surface temperature, or SST, around Malaysian waters as an example. Through these objectives, we aim to show how big data can make oceanography education more interactive, relevant, and engaging for students. The novelty of our proposal lies in the integration of real-time satellite data into secondary school geography lessons. Traditionally, geography is taught using textbooks and static maps. However, with the introduction of NASA Giovanni datasets, we shift towards inquiry-driven and data-oriented education. This approach combines STEM and data science, encouraging students to engage in geospatial analysis, climate science, and information technology. It also links classroom knowledge to societal challenges such as climate change, coral reef health, and sustainable fisheries, topics that are rarely connected directly to school-level geography. This innovation therefore transforms geography from memorization into exploration and discovery. Our proposed product is an educational innovation that brings NASA Giovanni satellite datasets directly into secondary school geography learning. The product takes the form of a digital teaching and learning module designed to guide both teachers and students. With this module, they can easily access, visualize, and interpret sea surface temperature data, particularly around Malaysian waters. Through this tool, students will be able to generate maps, create time series graphs, and even conduct small-scale research projects. Most importantly, the product helps students connect their classroom learning with real-world issues, by linking their findings to both local and global climate phenomena. Example of the findings are time average map. A time average map is a map that shows the average value of data over a selected period of time. Next is yearly time series. This is a graph that shows how data changes from year to year. For example, if we plot sea surface temperature in Malaysian waters from 1980 to 2020, the yearly time series will show the trend of how the temperature rises or falls over those years. Last one is seasonal time series, which is a graph that shows how data changes according to the seasons within a year. For example, if we look at sea surface temperature in Malaysian waters, the seasonal time series can show differences between the northeast monsoon and the southwest monsoon. The proposed innovation also carries strong commercial potential. One possible outcome is the development of digital learning modules that guide students step by step in analyzing and interpreting NASA's Giovanni datasets. In addition, teacher training workshops can be organized to equip educators with the skills they need to adopt this method in their classrooms. Furthermore, STEM education kits, combining datasets, hands-on activities, and teacher manuals, can be packaged and distributed to schools nationwide. Through these efforts, the innovation can expand beyond classrooms, ensuring long-term impact and sustainability. In conclusion, big data analytics as a pedagogical tool in oceanography education represents a new direction for Malaysian secondary schools. It transforms learning from passive memorization to active exploration, while equipping students with the skills to understand and respond to real-world challenges. Thank you for your attention.